23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
Good evening, I'm Jessica Harrington. Here's what's making headlines around Kern County. Governor Gavin Newsom says they're pulling the emergency brake on the state's efforts to reopen the economy as coronavirus cases surge. Officials announced 40 counties within California are moving backward, including Kern County, which is now in the purple tier. Moving back requires businesses such as restaurants and churches to move their services outside. Movie theaters and museums will be required to close. Newsom said when a county moves tiers, the industries should make changes immediately rather than the normal 3-day grace period. Today, Kern Public Health announced 301 new cases of COVID-19. That brings us to 36,919 total cases. The highest number of daily cases in recent weeks happened last Monday when we saw 236 cases. Things have unfortunately gone up from there. Today, there were no new deaths reported, but the death toll does remain at 432 for the county. Some residents in Tehachapi are without power right now due to a public safety power shutoff. Southern California Edison sending out a safety alert saying power has been turned off in parts of the 93561 zip code due to fire weather conditions. It's unknown when power will be restored or if more areas will face power shutoffs throughout the day. Right now, there are more than 330 SoCal Edison customers in Kern County without power, while another 6,600 are under consideration. Of course, we'll keep you updated as we learn more.
We are tracking some strong winds this evening into early tomorrow. We actually have a wind advisory that will be going into effect for much of the county. Most of our mountain communities and into the valley, so kind of on the west side of the mountains is where we're expecting the stronger winds through this evening. Not as bad in the desert, which is usually our windier spots, but some 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts with peak gusts in the mountains up to 35 expected through the evening and into tomorrow. But those gusts are actually going to keep us a little bit warmer. 81 in Bakersfield for tomorrow. We're looking at temperatures in the 70s in the desert. Even some of our mountain communities pretty close to 70 degrees. So it is going to be warm tomorrow, but then we get a cold front moving through. Slight chance for some rain with that, but it's going to take our temperatures right back down to where we were for most of last week. Many of us spending the week in the 60s with even some 50s expected in our mountain communities. So a big cool down coming pretty soon.
That's your latest news and weather update. For the latest news anytime, be sure to log on to our website, turn to23.com.